We're trying to design a new way to treat autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases are extremely diverse. There's a lot of patients across the world that have a lot of different autoimmune diseases. We think we have new drugs that can treat a lot of these autoimmune diseases and really bring new benefit to a lot of different patients. So my research is a mix of synthetic chemistry and biological research. We are a small molecule lab that looks to identify new targets for small molecules that have not been annotated before. And so my realm is in the field of autoimmune diseases. Something that we worked on is idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. This is fibrosis of the lungs. Currently, there's no good treatments for lung fibrosis, but we have something that has demonstrated a lot of efficacy in animal models, so we're very excited about that. Something that's common to patients who have blood cancers, for example, would include transplant rejections or graft versus host disease. Those are also models that we are actively working on, and our drugs have demonstrated a lot of efficacy in those models. There are current treatments, but I think a lot of those current treatments are very lacking in the sense that they tend to be not very efficacious. It's very difficult to predict how they will behave in certain patients. And another huge drawback for a lot of these current treatments is they have a lot of side effects. And these side effects can often conflict with the desired treatment outcomes. They may even cause the very problems that you actually want to treat. So what my research was able to do is we defined a new way to treat a lot of these diseases, but overcome a lot of these shortcomings while demonstrating better efficacy overall, so that hopefully our goal is to bring these new therapies to patients to improve their outcomes but minimize these side effects. So currently we were able to, with help from the Harrington, define a new set of drugs that all have efficacy in a lot of different models. We were also able to demonstrate that in several different animal models of disease that these drugs have the desired effects that we want to see. And right now, a major goal of my lab, or the lab I work with, is we want to improve on these molecules so that they can get even better outcomes in animal models, so that hopefully these findings will translate over to human patients. I've always been very translationally minded. I've always wanted to design new technologies that can help patients worldwide. And I think the Harrington Discovery Institute came with a lot of expertise to help me get there.